This German luxury motorhome brand offers opulent mobile homes starting at $2.4 million. These high-end vehicles feature a unique under-vehicle garage that smoothly emerges, allowing owners to effortlessly park a supercar like the Bugatti Chiron without needing tie-downs. A slide-out wall provides extra space when the vehicle is stationary, and solar panels on the roof, along with a robust 1,800 amp-hours battery capacity, ensure independence. Inside, the luxury continues with a $350,000 Burmester stereo, a fully equipped kitchen mirroring home comforts, and a spacious shower. The power-rising storage for plates and cups adds a clever touch. For those with the means, Volkner Mobile offers the ultimate experience for long-distance drives, with the added perk of having a supercar available upon reaching the destination. ARKUP introduces a unique solution for waterfront living with the ARKUP 40, dubbed the Glass House at Sea. Offering 640 square feet of indoor space, it can be configured as a studio, 1 or 2 bedroom unit with up to 2 bathrooms. Forget cramped quarters. The ARKUP 40 features 7.5-foot ceilings and expansive windows for open views and natural light. The appeal extends to a rooftop deck, upgradable with a hot tub and barbecue kitchen. Power options include solar electric, diesel, or a stationary edition. For those seeking luxury, the ARKUP 75 offers 4,350 square feet of living space with a hydraulic self-lifting system for stability in various waters. The price for this floating lifestyle starts at $5.5 million. This next company was born out of a passion for perfecting the RV living experience. Their 46-foot Freightliner Cascadia motorhome is propelled by a 600-horsepower Detroit engine, paired with a 12-speed Detroit automatic transmission. The aluminum box exterior boasts a walk-on roof and a hydraulic slide-out for a seamless look. Inside, a walk-through cab showcases solid wood cabinets and dovetail drawers with soft close features. The interior rivals home comfort, featuring custom-built items like a convertible sofa, wraparound booth dinette, ottoman, office chair, sofa sleeper, full bedroom, and a hide-a-bed sofa. Entertainment is covered with 4 LED televisions, an interior stereo system, speakers in 3 zones, and an exterior entertainment center. Outside, saddle storage includes a pull-out sink and infrared gas grill. The base model is priced at $550,000. Motorhomes are often associated with practicality rather than luxury, typically serving camping or adventure needs. However, this changes with the introduction of a deluxe 2-story motorhome that redefines expectations. Crafted since 1860, these designers, with clients like Porsche and Formula One, meticulously create elite motorhomes for enhanced comfort and functionality. With an impressive size of 80 meters squared, a total length of 14 meters, and a width of just 2.5 meters, this mobile house stands out. When parked, it transforms, elevating the roof to unveil a second-floor interior. The ground floor exudes exclusivity, with a private room featuring a spacious mattress, TV, wardrobe, and a bathroom with a shower. Upstairs opens to a communal living space and terrace. Priced at $2.7 million, this motorhome combines futuristic design and modern luxury, challenging the conventional perception of mobile living. In 2024, this company continues its legacy of motorhome excellence with the Unity FX, a sleek collection of Class C motorhomes. Each Unity model is constructed on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 cab chassis, providing both aerodynamics and a robust engine for optimal performance. Its unique design cleverly accommodates 2 living spaces within a compact vehicle. The interior features a versatile Murphy bed setup, transforming seamlessly between a bed and a sofa. The kitchenette and main appliances are situated opposite, while the rear portion houses a bathroom and an L-shaped sofa, offering a flexible space for work or relaxation. It is loaded with plenty of modern amenities such as smart TVs, dual lithium coach batteries, and a new pantry rack system. Unlike traditional RV design packs, The Unity FX allows buyers the freedom to personalize upholstery, cabinetry, and countertops to whatever colors they choose. The starting price is $191,000. An Austrian company created this $3 million motorhome, known to be celebrated in over 190 countries as the epitome of luxury. Combining design elements from motorsports, aviation, and yachting, it stands out as a masterpiece. The cab, crafted with precision, using high-performance carbon fiber materials, exhibits a futuristic appearance with sports car design lines and a jet-inspired cockpit. The self-supporting structure, with a 60mm wall thickness, provides stability and insulation comparable to off-road expedition vehicles. The Sky Lounge is a standout feature. It transforms into a walled-in roof deck, offering panoramic views. The interior is designed as a home away from home and includes a spacious living area, a well-equipped kitchenette, and a discreetly separated bathroom. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, top-tier Italian bed linen, and an adjoining spa area, creating a luxurious retreat for elite travelers. The Departure One, a German-engineered marvel, seamlessly transitions between a caravan and a motorized houseboat, granting versatile travel for those valuing freedom and independence. With a seawater-resistant aluminum hull, this 30-foot-long camper, perched on a trailer, accommodates 4 people comfortably. Inside, discover a sleeping area, compact shower, and wash basin. Storage is ample, with a closet, well-equipped kitchen, and a spacious living room, offering all the comforts of home. Abundant windows and a rooftop deck with seats and solar power enhance the boat-like feel. Designed for 2 people to travel for up to 2 days without additional power or water supplies, it also features a toilet and shower cabin. Available in various colors, prices start at $67,500. In 2004, 3 mega-yacht engineers combined their expertise to create the Furrion Elysium. This 45-foot RV stands as a technologically advanced luxury home on wheels, complete with a rear helicopter landing pad. Inside, a lounging area boasts a 75-inch 4K TV and a fireplace, creating a cozy ambiance. A smart toilet, shower, and a full-sized bed in the master bedroom enhance comfort. The shower even doubles as a steam room for a personalized spa experience. The fully equipped kitchen features a dishwasher, oven, and even a wine refrigerator. But what truly sets the Elysium apart is its exterior, featuring 2 additional 75-inch 4K TVs, a rooftop lounging area with a bathtub, and an unexpected helipad designed for a Robinson R22 chopper. Although currently a concept, the functional prototype hints at future production plans, with a price tag of $2.5 million. These RVs go beyond being towables. They're off-grid capable habitats that can serve as permanent residences, offering extra sleeping capacity, storage, and daily creature comforts. The latest addition is the Grand Lodge 42 View, a true house on wheels. Despite riding on just 2 axles, this massive RV is 45 feet long and 102 inches wide, with slide-outs that expand the available living space when parked. With features like a giant awning and the option to add a deck, the 42 View becomes an RV equivalent of a palace on wheels. Sleeping up to 8 people comfortably, it boasts 3 bedrooms and a living room that transforms into a guest room. The fully equipped kitchen, full bathroom, laundry station, and ample storage cater to the needs of its occupants. This park model RV even has a lofted second floor, accessible by stairs, housing electric fireplaces, a pop-up TV, a fold-out sectional sofa, automated blackout shades, 2 AC units, Furrion kitchen appliances, and elegant marble-like finishes. The base price starts at around $100,000. Dembell Motorhomes introduces a casual, elegant, sophisticated, refined, and timeless motorhome designed to address the shortcomings of existing models. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Actros Gigaspace with all existing extras, this motorhome hides high-standard, groundbreaking technical solutions, unique in the world of motorhomes. A distinguishing feature is the large garage, accommodating cars up to 4 meters long without compromising the comfort of the bedroom above. Collaborating with an Italian studio experienced in yacht interiors, the interior exudes a yacht-like atmosphere. The open-plan layout creates a spacious, adaptable living space with a completely flat floor and an internal height of 2.1 meters. The cockpit boasts 4 separate air-conditioned car seats with a built-in air spring system and massage function. Special in-house developments include the last 2 rows of seats and a queen-size bed with an electronic elevator. Priced at $1.5 million, this motorhome offers luxury on the road with a sophisticated nautical atmosphere, showcasing shapes and colors that are both highly refined and timeless.